Regular water drinking provides various benefits, including better sleep quality, decreased fatigue, and protection against many diseases. However, some people forget or neglect to drink adequate amounts of water. In a study conducted by Craddock et al., 2015, data from 2009 to 2012 on over 4,000 children and adolescents aged 6 to 19 years was gathered. This data were used to examine urine osmolality, which measures the urine concentration of a person to see whether participants were properly hydrated. They discovered that 54.5% of all children and adolescents were dehydrated, which is slightly more than half of all the participants. Dehydration can be prevented with the use of water intake reminder for users to meet daily water requirements, which will be attached to a case that insulates the water bottle in order to maintain the coldness of the water. Insulated cover. The insulated cover acts as a strong barrier to maintain the coldness of the water container for an extended amount of time. Water intake reminder. Reminds users to drink water to meet daily water requirements and be hydrated for the rest of the day. Adjustable strap. Adjustable straps aid in the accurate setting of sling length to ensure proper load distribution and the preservation of the object's shape during lifting. Small pockets. Provides an easy place to stash essential items such as medicine pills. Cover cooler ensures users to drink adequate amount of water required on a daily basis and keeps water container cold for an extended period of time.